This is probably one of the most widely used tools in my shop. It's a combination square. Let me give you a bunch of good reasons why I love this tool, the things you can do with it. See if it's useful for you too. Very versatile tool. You can use it for stuff like setting the height of a dado head when you're doing carcass joinery. Want to check the setup on your table saw? Use it to check the blade for parallel. Doing layout? This is a great tool for making lines parallel to an edge. When you're headed for the lathe, you can use it to find the center on round stock. Over at the router table, use this tool to very accurately set the height of your router bits. Back to the layout world, this is a great way to lay out a variety of angles using the protractor head. Furniture joinery, this is a great way to check tenons. Make sure the shoulder is just the right dimension. Want to verify that your 45-degree angle really is? Use your combination square to check it. So combination square, what a great name, because it's got a combination of stuff that it can do. Great tool to have in the shop. Hope you find it as useful as I do.